Usually I'm not a fan of these type of grinders, but I've got this chain here which is hooked right over because it hit a stone cutting out palm trees. So I've been using, what's this size, 3/16. Then the accompanying file to get some sort of a hook back. I've got one side done. This other side, it's all been rolled over on this semi-chisel chain. And this being no name poopoo chain, it's hard as buggery in the cutters, which is actually not a good thing. So if I do one of these chains here now, with the cool grind, I'll show what I mean. I'm only going to do one of these because these things noisy as hell. Zoom it. Which colour did I do? This one. So there you go, focus. I'll pick it up. It's lifted shiny right there. It's sharpened. It sharpened it up alright, but because these are pretty well beaked in, I'll give the hit for file. That should really bring it up. But going over top of that, after I fired it, would leave a pretty good edge actually. It just really helps if you've got the cool grind. We grind here and it packs like that. Let's see, 30 degrees. That's pretty sharp. I'll just have to take down the waker with the gauge later, but that's just done with a normal fire waker. But no, they do actually work. It's the first one I've seen it actually does work. I know Michael had one of these for years, but since you can get the cool grind for it now, makes a difference. And I'm probably going to buy a bunch of diamond ones. Just buy them off eBay, because the diamond will last so much longer on these. These stones tend to wear a bit. Like these are only white stones. The best ones are the hardened tool pink stones. Alright, time to go to the rest of them.